Are you sick of digging through your closet trying to find your purses or shoes? I'm Gina with WTI and I was done with that. So I got these totally adjustable stackable shelves from MS Homely. Of course, not every purse is the same size. So, one of the best things about this is that you can customize the width so it can accommodate exactly the size of your purse. It keeps them upright, which means that they're going to stay in better condition and you can see them at a glance. I also found that these were perfect for a little shelf I have in my closet where I've had a jumble of shoes. I was able to use these to keep them all separate and really well organized. These come with different dividers, so you just simply put them in the slots and you can move them around, of course. And the bottom trays fit together. So you'll see one side has little tabs that stick out, and then the other side has holes that just go right over the top of that, and then they move as one unit. These are so sturdy and well made, and they look sleek and modern. I love them. I think you will too. And that's my point of view.